Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DraftKings how to get bonus. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here you will be seeing some promotional ads. Now you can earn bonuses from here through bonus bets by simply tapping on it, or you can just simply tap on the rewards option on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on my rewards, and here all the available rewards you'll be seeing the bonus bets as well. Now you can also earn bonuses promos by simply tapping on promos or dynasty or missions as well, and then you can also earn bonuses through referring a friend as well. Now in order to place a bonus bet, what you need to do is tap on bet now, and once you do that you'll be directly transferred to the betting interface. Now all you gotta do is select your spread, total or money line section, and once you have selected it, all you gotta do now is just simply place your amount. Now in order to apply bonus, what you need to do is simply tap on apply bonus, and here you will be seeing the bonus bet. Simply select it, and then you can also use the bonus bet through this cash icon on the top, and here you can simply tap on apply and your bonus bet will be applied. And that's basically how to use bonus. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.